Chris is alright, look.
Hello, Daniel. Name's not Daniel.
Right, we made it to Benidorm. And we're just waiting. These two apartments behind us, we're in the left one. And we're just waiting for the owner of the Airbnb to come and meet us and let us in. So this is the start of it. We're here for today, and then we're heading to Valencia tomorrow for Motogp. These boys don't mess about, look. Straight on it. Not here yet. Just have a little look around this apartment that we've rented. Airbnb. It's 2 bedrooms with a 4th bed. That's the master bedroom. Ensuite.
Very nice.
He's got his trousers off. That's the kitchen. That's the other bedroom. 2 singles. And then just around this corner is this big pull-out double bed. And that's the view. Good view, innit, Chris? Over Benidorm. I mean, I've stayed in a lot of places in Benidorm, but this is probably one of the nicest.
It's alright. It's lovely.
Go on. Second apartment. We've dropped right on his feet here. We've done alright, haven't we, Chris?
Bang on.
Get this. 2 good apartments. Now we've just got to work out how we're going to get to cheste. To track. What's... Okay. Well, I've never seen a nose. Sorry. That's disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Yeah. I'll tell you what, that's my thumbnail right there. That's disgusting. Right, we've made it. We're heading in. Let's go. You recognise this guy. You only recognise him from his arse. Just made it in time for a sprint race. Good park. Sunglasses, Chris. Got some. As close as I can to the track. Jez is mowing. That's him. These seats are a bit tight, Chris.
Yeah.
Too tight.
Yeah.
You might as well go on my knee. We're almost underway.
Don't touch my baseball.
We've seen your wiener. Who do you want to win?
Go game our team.
My man's in second. sprint race done. Back tomorrow for main GP. Well, toilets haven't improved much in Valencia. The state of toilets, not good. So for anybody that doesn't know, you can't get alcoholic beer inside the circuit. So when you come out, you've got to head to one of these tents here and get yourself an alcoholic beer. That's the first job, grab a beer. He's had one too many.
Long day.
He started playing poker.
That's it, Chris. Loving it. New cameraman, look. He knows the crack.
Absolutely loving it. Weather's beautiful.
What about that steak though, Chris? It weren't worth €50, were it?
No, it weren't.
He had my pants. He's had my pants down and kept them.
Go on then, cameraman Dan.
Proper bite there, look. VZR 1800. That's it, we're here. Cheste. Things are about to get crazy in the feet. Check out the baby piglet. Oh, it's Peppa Pig. Hot dog.
Barely edible.
Freezing cold.
Yeah.
It's a wonder more people don't die out here in Spain.
If I'd have paid for it, I'd be right pissed off.
Yeah.
But seeing as I've fucking stole it, I'm not bothered really.
Had a result there,
Yeah.
except it's shit.
Yeah.
It was free, but it was
I'll try
crap.
to steal a better one next time.
Do that. That looks like a rat. What is that? It's not a rabbit, is it? Rabbit. Don't look like a rabbit. Might be though.
When he's doing that, you know when he's doing burnouts, it's running like that. If something goes wrong, all the people around it, if it blows up and the conduct goes inside the engine, nobody is going to get killed.
You think it's a safe bike event?
It's absolutely ridiculous. Someone's going to get killed. Someone's going to get killed tonight, mark my words.
Something's going down because there's just a handful of police all running around looking for people. Don't know what. What's happening? we're calling it a day for cheste. We've heard enough. That's breakfast sorted. That's it for cheste. We're out of here. Just stumbled across a bakery just at the right time, so I am out. We made it. Carl's still here. Here, Chris, go in this. This is what nearly killed Jason. You want to put that in bin, it's fucking right dangerous.
Remember this?
Proper dangerous. I've got a video of you rolling around on your back. Yeah. I fell straight off back of it. I need to find that. Back for day 2, main event. Big GP race today. We're coming at the top. Brilliant. Not much breakfast choice here. Coffee and a donut, that's about it. Get to the top. That's far enough. View's getting better. Oh, we're a bit. We're not even halfway, are we? Yeah. Made it. Oh. Has somebody got the tent out there? Probably camp there at night. That's a good view. That's the best view. See the alt track. That's the best view of the circuit. We've come all the way up this hillside, which was taxing to this was taxing to go up here. But that's the best view. Worth the climb up them stairs. This is going to be a noisy lap. Oh, who's down? Somebody's down. Man down.
man to get. It's not here. It must be down there.
What happened?
Lost Chris there.
Yeah, you went looking for him.
Hold on.
Gridlocked. Cactus has got keys.
Keys, Chris.
Gridlocked.